Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to focus on how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So what do we really want to do is, well, very simple. Right now we have here a list of sales agents. However, we need to assign the sales agent in. However, you don't want to type it consistently. What you really want is you want a drop down option where you can just select the name of the sales agent. So what will we do is we will add here the sales agent name. So let's go back here to our next tab. In here we have all the sales agents name. However, we want to do just one more thing. Is what we need to do is we need to create a list. Yes, currently we have a list here which is on this one here. Now what we want to do is we want only the first name, since it is in this case not important to have the last name. Of course, if you do want to have, I'll show you as well how we can do it, because we have this one as well with our agent list. But in this case we'll call it first name list. So I will say sales first name. Enter. Once you did that, you can see if you select only a single one, it doesn't seize it. But if you select the entire group here, then it will recognize as sales first name. Make sure you remember the name because that's important, and also in the way you write it. So in this case, it is capitalized S. So now we have our list. Let's go and add up here the options. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to select these here, only the cells where you want to input the drop-down list. Once you have that, you go to the data tab here, and in here just click on the data validation. Once you have the data validation, you can select your options like list. There are all other options, however list is the option that we want to have. And what we'll do here in this case is we put an equal sign and then we say sales first name. This is the list that we use for the first name of all the sales agents. As I told you before, make sure you pay attention on the capitalized letter and how you will name that. Once you're done, you click OK to confirm. Now you can see there's a drop down here being shown. And if you go down, always you see a drop down. So once you click on this, you will see here all the options, and that's very nice. And what happens if I type in here, let's say Nick, then we get an error. Because you can see the error indicates that the cell it has a restriction value or restricted value, and Nick is not in the list, so it will say this is not possible. Let's retry. Remove this, enter, no problem. And this is how you add a drop-down list, and how you create a drop-down list and add it to your Excel sheet. So if you like tips and tricks like these, check out my link below. In there, in the link, you can find a wonderful Excel course on Udemy for free. So check that one out.